We'll guide you through how to publish your Wix site in just a few easy steps. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Wix dashboard on your computer and log in with your account details. Once you're in, locate the site you want to publish. Click on the Edit Site button to open the Wix editor. In the editor, make sure you've added all the necessary content and that your site is looking exactly how you want it. After you're satisfied with your design, go to the top right corner and click the Publish button. This will take your site live, but hold on, there's a bit more to it. Once you've published, Wix will give you a temporary domain that looks something like username.wixsite.com/sitename. If you're okay with this, your site is now live and accessible to anyone with the link. However, if you want a custom domain like yourwebsite.com, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. Head over to your Wix dashboard and click on the Upgrade button to choose a plan that suits your needs. Once you've selected and paid for a plan, go to the Domains section in your dashboard. Here, you can either buy a new domain through Wix or connect an existing one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set this up. Keep in mind that it might take a few hours for the domain to fully propagate and be live. Once that's done, your site will be up and running with your custom domain. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.